Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a couple of close-ups and I'm gonna give you a review of this Sondiko power torch. Hello again, so I just got this torch about a week ago and I really love it. If you plan on cooking or you want to work around your house, this is amazing torch. Why? Let me show you. So the torch comes with this gun and this part. So when you're gonna be clicking this, there's a spark that's gonna be created inside. All you have to do is just open the nozzle. So that's how you start it. Here we have an adjustment of how much gas you want out. I already used it to burn the weeds around my house. I'm also gonna use it for finishing wood pieces, and I can torch all my weeds. The flame is really big and wide, it's powerful, so it does really great job for this particular purpose. So this torch is excellent, easy to use, nice nozzle, big flame. You can use it for cooking, for woodworking, for starting the fire, for getting rid of the weeds, or barbecue. I'm gonna include the link for this torch in the description of this video. So give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.